Here's question 3.4.2. It says f of x is this rational function here. It's got horizontal and vertical asymptotes. It says the vertical asymptote is at x equals 1. Horizontal is at y equals 6. And there's also a y-intercept at 0, 10. Okay, so let's start with the vertical asymptote. So the vertical asymptotes happen when the denominator is equal to 0. So x plus b equals 0. And when we know that when we plug in 1, there's a vertical asymptote there. So 1 plus b equals 0. So b must be negative 1. Alright, so then we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 6. So if you remember your horizontal asymptote rules, it says that if we divide cx minus a over x plus b, if these powers, the largest power on the top is equal to the largest power on the bottom, that means we have a horizontal at c, and then this a is shifted up, shifts the entire function up, so we have a horizontal asymptote at c plus a, and that's going to be 6. Okay, so that doesn't help us so much because that's 2 unknowns and 1 equation. So I need to go and do the y-intercept, and maybe that will help us with the situation. So the y-intercept says that when I plug in 0, I get 10. So 10 equals a plus, plug in 0 here, we get minus a. Plug in 0 here, we get over b, and b is negative 1. So that's 10 equals 2a, which means a is equal to 5. Which also means that c is equal to 1.